How to send and receive crypto in Tangem wallet. Today, I'll walk you through how to send and receive crypto with your Tangem wallet and how to view received tokens even when they don't appear on your home screen. Let's get started. First of all, you should set up your Tangem wallet. Click on the video here to find how to set up the Tangem wallet without a seed phrase, or here for the video how to set up the Tangem wallet with a seed phrase. Let's start. To send crypto, tap the token you want to send, Ethereum, USDT or any other supported asset. Tap Send, enter the amount you want to send, or tap Max to send your full balance. Then paste the recipient's address or tap the QR code icon to scan it. And tap Next. Review the network fee, which may have options like slow, market, fast or custom. When you are ready, authenticate by tapping your Tangem card and entering your biometric ID again to sign the transaction. For real-time status, you can review the transaction history in the Blockchain Explorer like Etherscan. To receive crypto, go to the dashboard and tap the token you want to receive. Tap Receive to reveal your public address and QR code. You can copy the address, share it directly, or have the sender scan your QR code. Ensure you select the correct network, Ethereum, BSC, Tron, or whatever is needed to avoid losing funds. Sometimes you might receive a token that does not appear on your home screen. To fix this, tap the menu in the corner, select the wallet, and then tap Manage Tokens. Use the search bar to find the token name or paste its contract address. If it's supported, toggle it on for the correct network and tap Save. The token will now appear on your dashboard with your updated balance. Here are a few quick tips. Always match the correct network. ERC20 for Ethereum, BEP20 for BSC, TRC20 for Tron, and so on and so forth. Sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds. If a send is stuck, you may need to adjust the fee settings in the app or use the Blockchain Explorer to manage it. And if you don't see a token, double-check the contract address and decimal count before adding it. A quick security reminder: always double-check recipients' addresses. Look carefully at the first and last few characters, and only install the Tangem Wallet app from official sources like the App Store or Google Play. We talked about where to download the Tangem app and how to beware of scams in this video. And that's it. You now know how to send, receive, and manage tokens in your Tangem wallet. With Tangem, you have full control of your assets with simple and secure transactions every time. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below.